Hello everyone, my name is Samiksha DS. I am from Karnataka. I am a BSc graduate. After the completion of my BSc, I joined Evision Technoserve. One of my friend named Manjuna shared me the information about Evision Technoserve. After joined Evision Technoserve, I became pro within 45 days. Evision Technoserve trained you like a hero from zero within 45 days. Who joined Evision Technoserve, they got to know about how they will become hero within 45 days. I would like to thank Deepthi, Ganesh sir and Priya for their endless support. They plays a very important role in my life. Evision became like a sun in my life. You can see the happiness on my face, how I'm happy. I'm super happy to share the thing, and that is I got placed in R&D technologies for 3 LPA. Evision gave 100% assurance in job placement. After the completion of my course, within 2 months, I got placed. I'm super happy now. I thank Evision, Team Evision, and Bibhushit sir and Prince sir are my favorite faculties. They trained me like a pro. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for everything. And also I'm planning to join cloud courses on upcoming days, and I would like to prefer join Evision Technoserve rather than others. And also I highly recommend Revision Technoserve for those who want to kickstart their career and build their knowledge and skills, and those who want to boost their skills. I highly recommend Evision Technoserve. You can easily join Evision Technoserve without any doubt. You definitely got placed within 1 or 2 months. It can be happening within 15 days also. Thank you, Team Evision. I'm always grateful to you. Love you, Evision.